The verb to be in past tense. That's today's lesson. Hello students, I'm teacher Jorge and I am doing this video for Altum Institute Middle School, first grade G class. Like I was saying, we're going to be working with the verb to be in past tense. And this is used to talk about those actions that happened in the past or actions that didn't happen. So we're going to be using this verb in past tense with affirmative statements, negative statements, and also as interrogative statements. We need to become familiar with some expressions like last night, last week, last month, an hour ago, a moment ago, to make reference to past events or the moment in the past where the actions took place. A moment ago, I was telling you what we're going to be doing. A couple of minutes ago, I started this video, right? So we're going to become familiar with these expressions. So in session 2, we're going to see two files. One is for the explanation section, and there you will see some expressions and a couple of sentences we have to do as practice. This will be done in your notebook. And then in the second file we have an activity to complete, and you have 3 exercise sections. Each one is conformed by 5 sentences or 5 statements that we need to complete. All of them have empty lines or empty gaps, and we need to use the correct version of the verb to be in past for singular, was, or plural were. All of this information is going to be explained during the video lesson. It is really important that you please get online on time, punctually, because we as teachers from Altum Institute, we are doing our part to continue with your learning process. We are doing online content, video, and attending your questions and checking your work, but you also need to do your part. You need to get online, to get connected to the session and to be in the session. This is like if we were in the classroom, so you need to be present. So please, I ask you to be in the class, in the virtual class, to collaborate, to participate. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask any questions during class. And when class finishes, if you continue to have some questions, you can send a Schoology message so I can read your question and answer it as soon as possible, I promise. But right now, what we have to concentrate is on session 2, topic 27. So I ask you to please get connected and continue with this session so we can explain what we're going to do. It is really important that you don't fall behind in your activities, in your classwork activities, because then your grade will fall. And I need you to please do your classwork on time and do quality work so you can have the best grade possible. I hope you are very well at home, safe. Hopefully this pandemic situation is coming to an end soon and we can continue with the regular classes in Altum Institute. Remember, we make the school, teachers and students. So right now we are at school. It's good to see you, it's good to know that you are okay. See you in the virtual class.